Hi, my name is Ehsan and I am an engineering manager at Core District. Over the years that I've been working at Core District, I have realized that there are three key elements when it comes to successful project management. Um, you know, these three key elements, if you aren't very familiar with these, it will be difficult for you to deliver a successful project. You might be able to deliver small successful projects, but for larger, bigger projects, these three key elements are very important. So these elements are time, costs, and quality. Time, cost, and quality are all interrelated. The more time you have, the better quality product you can deliver. However, more time also means more cost. So inevitably, the art of managing all of these three together would actually result in a successful project delivery. All right, let's talk about time. So when it comes to time, I believe that there is no shortcut. So all of the project managers need to plan ahead. And what I mean by planning ahead is that once they have a good understanding of what the client requirements are, what they are actually looking for, they need to create a feature breakdown document. And that feature breakdown document should contain not only contain the features themselves, it should also contain the estimated number of the hours that the features would take to implement. And the breakdown should be such that those can be converted into tickets later on for the development team to execute. Additionally, what needs to be done from the project manager side is that they need to create a realistic project schedule and a release plan. So they need to identify that these are the releases that we will give to the client at this point in time, and those needs to be realistic in the sense that they should be actually deliverable based on the number of developers or the team that we have composed up. So they also have to decide how many people will be working on the project. So all of these factors basically come into the timeline that the project will be completed on. So all of this is done even before the project has been started. The benefit of that is once the development team actually start working on the project, they would have a list of all of the features that needs to be implemented, and along those features they would also have a list of the estimates that each and every feature should take. So in order to apply this methodology, we usually have a daily scrum meetings which help team identify whether they are on schedule or behind schedule, or whether they are far ahead of schedule. Anything can happen, but if they are behind schedule, they can actually pace things up in order to meet the deadlines that the client have, and this automatically enforce the complete system in order to achieve the deadlines that had been set initially. There can be chances where the project can go a little bit beyond what was initially decided. However, as a general rule of thumb, most of the time in my experience, this deadline is achievable, and 80% of the time we are able to successfully deliver the projects on time.